shares here on Amazon, 225,000 shares on Apple. As I recall, there's even a bigger block up here, and 809. What a swap. That's a large, well, not a sweep, but there's a trade that goes behind that. Google, 215,000 shares, same thing, large trade. 306,000 there on Amazon. I don't. Oh, look at that. 382,000 here at 29 pennies. Positive money flow, 88 million. Positive money flow, 88 million. And let's see what kind of money flow Apple ended up with. It ended up with 361 million. So we know that all of these, I just changed market minders. I took FCX out, but we know that all of those shares that we just showed you were buys. 361 million. How nice. Okay, on the other hand, let's go ahead and put the FCX over here. So basically, that's the closing bell, MMTs. Oh. One of the things that we're doing on the Adobe trade, which just came out and had a record quarter of $1 billion, we posted our first $1 billion quarter and record annual revenue in 2010, driven by outstanding performance across all our major businesses. But let me tell you something. Last time they got whacked in the last quarter for about $7. We were short then. Now we got some good news here. The upside guidance right here is nice. Okay, so basically you can see Q1 revs of 1.0 to 1.05 billion versus that 992.19. So Adobe does have upside. It would be one that MMTs would look at trading tomorrow, no doubt. And that means that earnings report, we would take a look and see what the $30 call and put spread is on Adobe and see if we have a chance to manipulate ourselves in if they steal the premium in the options both on the put and the call side. Well, hey, what can I say? We get to steal the premium, and that will add, once again, Merry Christmas to everyone. That's going to add something to our Christmas stockings. So Adobe, not a bad report. As far as the action, after hours action goes, Adobe closes at 29.18 ratio. So basically, the intraday high was 29.42. So it's 29.42 to 31.11 here, MMTs. So basically, we will throw this in the SMF platform and we'll see what tomorrow's T-News is so that we've got an idea. It is tradable in after hours. Just remember, at 2 o'clock, they're going to do the earnings call. But I don't see them saying anything bad in the earnings call whatsoever. So you can see that these wicks are just late price prints. However, any entry between slightly above this high and it holds would be where the MMTs would look at getting in tomorrow morning. And or if it dips down there, I will look at buying some of this. That earnings report is good. So that's going to be a trade for you tomorrow and for what remains left, earnings on Adobe Systems after hours. And we'll try to get some good trades off in here. Wait for the 2 o'clock conference call. They can't say nothing bad after what I just gave you, MMTs. So basically we're going to see what happens here and how we trade, what the prints are, and the whole ball of wax. It's 15 cents by 20. 22, they're starting to jack up the price a little bit when they get closer. So you can do little intraday quick trades as far as that news goes on every little pullback. Just watch the range because you're $2 above the closing high right here, 29.18. So you're right here at 0.23 pennies, 31.23 pennies.